Hi friends, today I'm going to cover total cost of ownership from the Azure. In my earlier videos, I have covered cloud cost estimator for Azure GCP AWS that you can see on the screen. At the same time, I have also demonstrated in the other part with template I have used or you can prepare for your own estimation. So in today's session, I'm going to cover total cost of ownership, which is bit different from the estimation of your cloud. This will really help you to compare in case if you are going to prepare on-premises servers, how much it is going to cost versus if you're going to set up the same thing on the cloud, how much it is going to cost. This will help you to show the cost benefit in case if there is any difference on-premises versus on the cloud. So without further delay, let us move on to the total cost of ownership calculator, which from the Azure. So I'm just bringing that window here. So what you need to know is you should know how many servers or workloads you are going to set up or required for your application deployment or whatever the database you're going to deploy. That information should be handy. So for example, if you are going to take some workloads, like you may need 20 VMs or 20 virtual PCs, right? So those, and what type of CPUs, what type of RAM, how many cores you will require, all that kind of information is required to calculate TCO. I'm going with some kind of rough estimation, like assumptions. So you can take any number here. I need maybe 20 GB RAM and CPUs, GPUs if it is required for your requirement. And then similarly database, you can select how many GB of SQL Server. I have selected 500 GB and I have entered 100 GB of backup. Probably you can even go with 500 GB backup for the safer side. Okay. Now I selected vCores here and general purpose instance cores are 20. Similarly, storage also have selected how much capacity I will need, how much capacity for the backup and archival. So the disk type, everything I selected here. I selected disk type as a SAN. If you have different requirement, you can go ahead. So networking also, network traffic is like I selected 2 GB traffic and click next. So even there are few assumptions made to give you these calculations. You can see the following assumptions in the TCO model are industry averages accredited by Nucleus Research. So based on those assumptions, it is giving you the overall cost. Each and everything is calculated in the minute level. Even though you enter number of cores required, that is subdivided and given you the estimation. So software cost for your operating system or for your SQL Server license, everything is being calculated in this process. So if you just go to the next screen, you will be able to see how much you're actually spending on the on-premises for 5 years versus how much you're spending on the Azure. That is like 125. It is almost double on the on-premises you are spending, including the licenses required for each and every deployment and workload. So this is how you can calculate and see the difference. This will really help you to demonstrate why you need to deploy that workloads to the cloud. Not just the estimation with the details of the electricity database hardware and all, it will also allow you to download the reports required. So you can download chart with sales and all, save that. I'll show you how the PDF is being saved. So that is actually saved to the PDF. I can open and show you that. So this is the PDF I got from the Azure TCO calculator. It gives you the detailed information with the charts. Even the comparison, you can see on-premises cost versus Microsoft Azure cost. You don't need to really work on anything. You can directly pick up these charts to your PPTs for demonstration. It gives complete details of it. Hope this video will help you to go ahead with TCO. In my previous videos, you can even check how you can calculate your workloads on the cloud based on the requirement you have. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll come up with more interesting videos.